So today what we are going to learn about, we are going to how we can download iTunes and also install it properly. How you can download iTunes and install it properly. So let's just start. Open any browser of your choice. Then on the search bar type iTunes and add offline installer to it and hit enter. Now once it opens, you can go to Apple support and downloads. Now you scroll down. Depending on your laptop architecture, whether you're using 32-bit or 64-bit, then you select your 64-bit operating system. So once you select it, you see a downloads button here. Just select it and it will start downloading. So let's wait for it to get download. It's very, very simple. So while it's downloading, you can like, comment, and share, and also follow me on all social media platforms. The name is Simple Tutorials. So once it's done, just open it. I've already installed it, so you just open it and you see the version is or this version and no version is already installed. So you click on OK and click on finish. So when you open it, you just follow the wizard. Everything will be completed. After the completion, you will have an icon on the desktop. It will ask you to restart it. Now after this is what now you have your iTunes installed on your computer. The next thing, I'll show you how you can connect your iPhone to your computer. Thank you for watching.